Struggling to get your drug rehab center noticed online? Let's dive into SEO for drug rehabs and uncover the top 5 tips you can implement right now. First, keyword research. Identify and incorporate relevant keywords like drug rehab center, addiction treatment, and recovery programs into your website content. Next, optimize your website. Ensure your site is mobile friendly and has fast loading times. Third, quality content creation. Start a blog to provide valuable information about addiction recovery, success stories, and rehab tips. Fourth, local SEO. Claim your Google My Business listing and get reviews to boost local visibility. Lastly, backlinks. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in the healthcare industry. By implementing these strategies, your rehab center will be more discoverable to those in need. Optimize now and make a difference.